Here's how we defend your DUI first case. First, I get your side of the story. You may feel like the officer ignored you. I won't. Your side is my starting point. Next, I get you back on the road. If your license got suspended at arrest, my first priority is requesting that administrative hearing to get you a temporary license. Once that hearing's scheduled, I defend you at it. Sometimes we have early negotiations. Most people are pretty happy with a reduced charge like reckless driving. If I feel like that's within reach, we go to your first court date and I try to get it from the officer. If we can't, or if we decide to skip this step, we go to the next one, which is requesting a jury trial. That delays your case for several months, which can also help. The officer's will to convict you at any cost can fade into reasoned judgment to negotiate, and winning defenses can emerge after we request discovery. That's a motion I file at the same time as the jury trial request. It demands the state to give me all the evidence they have in the case. The most important part is the videos. When we get the response, I send it to you because I want your input. I look for defenses you might not even know about. And I also make extensive notes about how you don't look impaired and what the officer did wrong. So by the time we get a trial notice, we've done all the groundwork. All we got to do is fine-tune it to get it ready for trial. And I do the hard part, getting ready to talk to the jury and cross-examine the officer. I mean, that's what you hired me to do, right? You'll know our strategy. You'll have a voice in it, including whether you testify. If you do, you'll be ready. So when it comes to trial, if it goes that far, you can rest assured we'll go in ready and expecting to win. So is that a lot of work? Yeah, sure is. That's why you should give your case to a professional like me, because I can increase your odds and I just might find defenses you don't even know about. I thank you for thinking about this with me.